Maintaining the Scotsman Brilliance Nugget Ice Maker is essential for consistent performance and high-quality ice production. One critical component that requires regular attention is the non-metallic top bearing, also known as the maker sleeve bearing. Welcome to HnKParts. In this guide, we'll show you exactly how to inspect it and replace it. Let's get your ice maker quiet and productive again. You'll need Phillips screwdriver, 2 adjustable wrenches, 1 16-inch pin gauge, clean towels, and for replacement, a new genuine sleeve bearing from HnKParts. Safety first. Unplug the unit. Shut off the water. Start with inspection. Remove the top panel with a Phillips screwdriver. Rotate and lift off the ice sweep counterclockwise. Slide a 1 16-inch pin gauge between the auger shaft and bearing at several points. If it fits easily, the bearing is worn beyond the 164-inch limit. Time to replace. For replacement, remove the ice chute and bin wall. Unscrew the 4 hex head bolts holding the extruder or breaker, and carefully lift it off the evaporator. Flip the extruder upside down. Use your puller to press out the old bearing evenly. Clean the seat thoroughly. Reconfigure the puller to press the new bearing in until it is fully seated. No lubrication is needed, as it is made of graphite and is self-lubricating. Reassemble everything in reverse order. Restore power and water, then run a cycle. Your ice maker should now run quietly with perfect nugget ice. Regular checks every 6 months can prevent bigger issues and keep your ice flowing smoothly. Grab the genuine Scotsman sleeve bearing today at HnKParts.com. Dependable, high quality, fast shipping, and great prices. Link in the description. Follow us on social media for more tips, parts deals, and appliance guides. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. Thanks for watching.